Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming this AirTag is yours and Find My items because you need permission to remove it. Next, set the tag on a flat, soft surface and wipe away debris. This prevents slips when you press down. Make sure you have a small cloth and a trash-safe container for the CR 2032 coin cell. Once done, you're ready for the first physical step. Press down on the polished metal back while preparing to rotate it. Press down firmly on the metal back with your thumb and maintain that pressure while you turn the cap counterclockwise about 1/4 turn. This unlocks the top. Once it releases, lift the cap straight up, then carefully remove the CR 2032 battery by tipping it out or sliding it with a fingernail. Removing the battery immediately stops the AirTag from transmitting. Make sure the battery is fully separated if you want it off for good, and dispose or store it safely. After battery removal, optionally open Find My on your iPhone, go to Items, select the AirTag, and choose Remove Item to unlink it from your Apple ID. If the tag still appears active, make sure the battery is completely out, then restart your phone. Sometimes the app needs a refresh. If the cap won't turn, check for debris or damage, clean the rim, and try again. If problems persist, replace the battery or contact Apple for repair options.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.